Anyone who knows me personally knows that I'm a VW guy. I bleed VW everything. I stand by them almost 100% of the time. But what I'm doing right now is really testing patience, and I'll show you. This is a typical McPherson strut that a lot of cars use in the front nowadays. And on Mark 5s, Mark 6s, and there's a shadow, almost all of them, as far as I know, use this kind of cup configuration where the bottom of the strut sits in this cup and there's a lip on the bottom of it that keeps it from sliding down any further than it needs to. Probably great in theory. In practice, it's awful. And I would love to know why. If anyone can give me any answer as to why they didn't just use something like this that I've seen on every other McPherson strut type front end, why they didn't just make a bolted, simple connection. It's 2 bolts, and on most cars, it's bolted up here and you're done. Mark 2s and Mark 3s don't for some reason. Probably another one of VW's grand ideas. But this coilover, when I installed it probably 8-9 years ago, probably took me an eye-watering hour to install. I have been fighting with getting this thing out for, what time is it now? It is 9 o'clock. I started this to get this out at 5, and I'm getting ready to put it back in. But it took me almost 3 hours to just do one of these stupid clamp tube style knuckles. If anyone can give me an answer, I would love to hear it, because this is by far the stupidest thing I've ever seen on a car, like suspension wise. This is absolutely dumb. I'm trying not to swear because it's so frustrating. But oh my God, this was the biggest pain in my ass. And I even had the little spreader tool, this little thing. And all it is, why is my focus over there? Focus over here. And all this is a little tool. It's flat on the 2 short sides, so you put it in the strut and then you turn it to spread it. So in theory, when you spread it open, it should let go of the strut bottom and be easy to pull out. That's great, except if you're like me and live in the Rust Belt, where where everything just likes to weld itself naturally through, I don't even know what to say. The point is, it's frustrating as hell. This is the broken spring. I'll probably show you a video of that when I first found it, but right now I wanted to get something out. And this is the new spring, new top hat, new strut bearing, because that one exploded. And I painted the strut body since the anodizing had kind of died off in the 5 years that these have been on the car. Do not at all blame the strut manufacturer for this. They're ST suspensions. They're made by KW. They're made in Germany. Their budget as far as coilovers go, and as far as high-end coilovers, I guess, these were $850 new when I bought them. I've had them on for 5 years, probably 140-ish thousand miles that I've had these on. And up until that, they were fine. They were the smoothest ride that I've had on any coilover ever. And to be honest, I don't even know that the spring truly failed first, because that was in pieces. This is just the top hat. But this was in, well, there, you can see it there. That's not supposed to come off. That was in pieces, and you can see that it's missing a couple ball bearings. Actually, it's missing 2 on that side. Yeah, and it's missing 1 on that side, so. But hindsight's 20/20. Anyway. So I'm going to put this in, but I wanted to share that. And if anyone can tell me why, I would love to hear any explanation that you think might be, or if you actually know, please enlighten me. Maybe there is a reason, and maybe I'm just overthinking it. I very much doubt that, but I'm not an engineer. I'm not a mechanical engineer anyway. Well, that's a short little video. It's going to be really unedited. But I don't think I said so that's a plus. And you got to see a little bit of Gus, wherever he is. Gus? I don't know where he went. Gus? Oh, there he is. What's up, bud? You want to say hi? Oh, you want to go inside. Come here. Come here and say hi. Come here and say hi. Bonk. There we go. All right. Have a good night. Have a good May 6th. I think this is the 6th. So, all right. Peace.